Hey guys, Jeff with Westcott Designs. So we're here with this Land Cruiser, this 250, and it's been actually in a couple times to our shop, and as we've progressed on it with some of the other stuff we've done to it, this time we just took it had a ready lift in it, basically ready lift, preload collar, stock upper control arms. We now switched it out to a set of billet Icon upper arms and a set of remote reservoir with adjuster Icon coilovers in the front. We did rear shocks in it, and then we did the Icon rear spring in it, and then we also did the remote reservoirs in the rear with adjusters on those as well. We did a set of our Westcott 20-degree rock sliders in DOM TIG, no top plates on those. We've got a set of our Westcott Designs Molly panels. We've got a Westcott Designs roof rack on this. People ask a lot, say, hey, attachments on your roof rack. Pretty much any of the other companies out there that use the crossbars, the 2x1 configuration on these crossbars, they're pretty much standard hole locations on all this stuff, but it's also nice because you can add these kind of handles and other companies' brands to it. You know, these handles here are really nice. These are a billet machine handle. They mount right to the side. They don't have to tie into the crossbars. Some of them do tie into the crossbars for a little bit more strength on them. And then you can see here, he's added some Pelican cases on the roof here for storage. It's got locks on them here. It's got our bottle opener back here in the back corner. We also do a bottle opener that comes out of here if people want that instead of using that one. It's got the Rego fabrication front bumper on it. It's got Rego fabrication center section rear bumper on it. I like this design because it almost looks OEM, and you can see right here just how it fits in here and fits up nice to the outside corners. So I would say this is probably one of the cooler rear bumpers that I've seen on this configuration, just because you're still able to use the corners. You're not have to do a lot of modifications, or you're able to use the center section here and get it all to work together, even with the factory trailer hitch on the back here. So this truck here is actually running a 35 12.5 by 17 on a Method. This is a Method 321, and this is in a 17 by 8.5 with a plus 25 offset. Toyota Open Country AT3s, great tire. They ride really well on road. They're a great tire even off road. People ask me, say, oh, well, I'm worried about, getting a sidewall on one of these when I'm out there off-roading. I always tell people, run the correct tire pressure when you're out there, between that, 15, 18, 20 right in there for tire pressure. But don't go out there and just hit the rocks. Go out there and use finesse. And all the time that I've been off-roading, I've never had a flat tire. And I hear guys out there, and it's usually the same guys that are getting flat tires all the time. Oh, I run a C-load and I got a flat tire because I ran a C-load. I run an E-load, I got a flat tire. At the end of the day, it's really how you drive the vehicle out there in the desert and how you treat the vehicle. Some guys just tend to send it all the time, and some guys tend to just come into sharp cornered rocks, and it really is how you finesse it. Been to Moab I don't know how many times and never had a flat tire, and there's a lot of shaly rocks on a lot of those trails out there. So I want to share that with you. This truck's a really nice build. Interior wise, it has a lot of Molly panels inside and the back, and it's really done up really nice. This guy really gets out there and actually uses the truck, so it's really cool to see that this one's built up to where it's at and actually gets used. There's a lot of trucks that come in that they don't get used, that people are just driving around the street, and hey, people can do whatever they want with their vehicles, but it's nice to see one like this that gets out there and use it. Another one. Hope you guys enjoy this stuff. If you do have any questions on this build, please feel free to comment below. Happy to help you in any way. If you're not subscribed to our channel, get subscribed to our channel. We'd love to hear from you. We'd love to be a part of our channel. So thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.